How to fix the error code 93 on Fortnite. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Genie Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix the error code 93 on Fortnite. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is, this kind of error happens when you're trying to join a party or enable the join party type of errors. Now some users encountering the same 93 error code have actually confirmed that they managed to fix the problem by changing the party privacy to private. So if you're playing it on a game on a public party, you could simply change the privacy to private before re-inviting their friends once again. So that could most likely fix your issue. Go ahead and open Fortnite and do that. I'm sure you can do that yourself. You could simply change the privacy of your party to private. But if that doesn't help, then there are other couple of things which you could do, and the very first thing we will do is we will check if our internet connection is working just fine. You could go to settings, you could go to network, and you could go to test internet connection, and then simply check the results of internet connection, whether they're working correctly or not. You could check the speed and so on. Hopefully this would fix your issue, and so you can simply check view connection status and so on. The other thing what I would recommend you do is, when you select on Fortnite, press the options button on your PlayStation controller, and you could go ahead and select check for update. Once you select check for update, you can see it says the installed application is of course the latest version. Or if this kind of error is happening due to an error in update, you could go to notifications tab, and you can see it says 26 minutes ago that version 3.73 was updated. So you could tap on options, and then you could go ahead and select delete and select Fortnite, and then select the recent update and simply delete it, and hopefully that would fix the issue as well. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.